Those coughs after a cold are really stubborn. It can take up to 5 or 6 weeks to really go away. The best remedy, honestly, is time. Things you can do at home are using local raw honey. Mixing that with ginger and lemon in a hot water or hot tea can be very helpful. You can buy your favorite over-the-counter cough medicine, and if those really aren't helping, certainly reach out to your provider or doctor and ask them about prescription options for cough. Though be mindful, there's nothing perfect for cough except time. At nighttime, when cough is often worse, I recommend drinking lots of water, avoiding alcohol, and using a humidifier at night to sleep. You can also put a few pillows behind your head to keep you at an incline. That can also help reduce the cough some.